Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Imagine walking down a bustling street in Mexico City. The air carries the rich scent of smoke and roasting corn. That aroma leads you straight to a caíto, the cart, where the vendor is creating culinary magic. This isn't just plain corn on the cob. It's street-style elote, Mexican grilled corn. It's a bright, creamy, spicy, and tangy work of art. Elote is far more than a simple snack. It's a vibrant cultural experience. It perfectly balances sweet corn, smoky char, and rich toppings. This ultimate guide will teach you everything you need to know. You'll learn the secret to achieving that perfect smoky char. We'll show you how to apply the creamy, authentic toppings. Soon, you will be making this easy elote recipe right in your own kitchen. The secret to perfect street-style elote, grilling and flavor basics. The grilling technique is what truly separates authentic Mexican grilled corn from standard backyard barbecue fare. We aim for deep flavor and a smoky finish. This starts with finding the right corn and understanding how heat transforms its natural sugars. Getting that essential smoky char is non-negotiable for true street-style taste. Choosing and prepping corn for maximum sweetness. Selecting the right corn is the first step toward perfect elote. You want fresh, sweet corn on the cob. Look for husks that are tightly wrapped and a little green. This usually means the corn was recently picked. Look for plump kernels. Press gently on the kernels. They should feel full and release a bit of milky liquid if you pierce one. Decide on husks. Most eloteros, elote vendors, generally grill the corn naked, husks removed, for maximum char. You can grill them partially husked if you prefer, leaving the husk on the bottom to use as a handle. Cleaning is simple. Whether you remove the husks completely or peel them back, pull off all the silky threads before cooking. A quick rinse removes any dirt. Mastering the grill, getting that essential smoky char. Authentic street-style elote flavor comes from intense heat. This heat caramelizes the sugars in the corn, giving it a depth that boiling or steaming simply cannot match. You need a high-heat grill. Aim for medium-high to high heat. Brush the clean corn lightly with a neutral oil, like canola or vegetable oil. This prevents sticking and promotes even cooking. Grilling for the perfect texture. High heat start. Place the corn directly over the heat. Watch for color. Grill the corn for about 10 to 15 minutes total. Check it often. Turn frequently. Rotate the corn every few minutes using tongs. You want 30 to 40% of the corn surface to show dark grill marks. These spots add the crucial smoky notes. The kernels should be tender but still burst when you bite them. Building the ultimate topping layers, the authentic elote experience. Once the corn is perfectly charred, the magic truly begins. The toppings are what elevate simple grilled corn into the iconic elote. This process involves layers of rich, creamy bases, followed by tang, heat, and finishing herbs. The creamy base, mayo, crema, and cotija cheese blend. The first layer provides the richness needed to hold the spices and cheese. You need a simple mixture for the base. Mayonnaise. Use a good quality mayonnaise mixed with Mexican crema. Crema is thinner and less tangy than sour cream, providing the ideal coating consistency. If you can't locate crema, a mix of mayonnaise and a little sour cream can work as a substitute. Coating. Generously slather the warm corn with this creamy mixture. The heat helps the coating adhere perfectly. Next comes the essential cheese, cotija. About cotija cheese. It is a hard, white cheese named after the town of Cotija, Mexico. It doesn't melt when heated. Instead, it crumbles easily and has a delightfully salty flavor. This salty, dry texture sticks to the creamy base, creating a wonderful textural contrast. Authentic elote requires cotija. No substitute will match its unique salinity and texture. Roll the coated corn in a dish filled with crumbled cotija until it is covered completely. The perfect street-side snack is just steps away. Stay tuned for part 2. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this.